Ate, di ako umaten ng kanyang recognition. Wala din ang mami at daddy niya. So, ang kanyang papa lolo. So, ayan. Highest honor. Oh, maraming award. Maraming award si Atara kasi siya ang pinaka-top. Ayan.
So that nagkala tayo sa stage eh.
Bakit? Lumipad?
I was dancing on the stage.
And then what happened? No, don't sit down there.
You hold this.
And also
Wow. Naghakot award ka na naman. Ayan, Hakot award si
Ito
Atara.
natin ate. You be like ate ha when you school.
Yeah, flex ko lang ang aking alaga. Yeah.
Wow.
Ang aking panganay na apo. Talino po yan. Inglesera. Nosebleed.
Just normal.
Pinipicture siya kanya ng kanyang fafa. Kanyang papa. Oh, like that, anak, like that. Very good. What did you say? Thank you.
Tayo